Today we visit our friend Reto. He built something very nice.
All day high. 港德製之二人
konGTak self-made.
Okay, welcome from konGTak self-made. And now today we visit our friend Reto. And he built something very nice, Yurt, and it's so beautiful. So why you build it? How do you get the idea?
The idea, it was like, the pandemic time, no restaurants, no coffee drinking and no cultural living. So my girlfriend and I thought about leaving the city to move into the countryside and live here in peace, freedom and harmony.
From outside it looks very nice, amazing. Should we have a look inside?
Yeah.
Nice, amazing. Should we have a look inside?
Yeah.
Can you show us how you live here inside and how you use your beautiful home?
Of course, here I make in the morning some yin yoga and meditation. Everything in the making.
and a guitar or something.
Yes. A work in process, yeah. Everything.
Wow, self-made.
Self-made also. Yeah. Don't have a real kitchen yet. This month I have to change. Yeah, get some fresh air.
So you have some air streaming through and you can cool down in summertime.
And your weapon.
Some weapons. Vietnamese martial art. The piece after the apprenticeship of the joiner. This is this cupboard. And it's for my clothes. Piece of my second apprenticeship. It's a dragon.
Amazing.
I love dragons. Thank you very much. And I sculpture this as well.
Wow.
A dragon with a phoenix.
Oh, handmade.
Yeah, sculpture. My bed, I roll it. I sleep here. This is, yes, it's a sleeping situation. And some art piece made. A sheep wool. Let you see behind.
Is it?
Yeah, the window opener. I have fixed it here. So if you pull on one side, go forward.
Very nice from inside. You can see this beautiful structure, how it's connected together.
This is a yurt without pillars. It's not Mongolish and it's not Kyrgyzish. It's a little bit a mixture between the classical style of building a yurt.
Now, where's the toilet?
Toilet, like compost floor, is wet and dry, it's separated. It don't stink. Compost toilet. And another. More of it.
Yeah, use it after pool. Very environmentally friendly.
Oh yes. Hot pot.
Wow, this is the chili broth.